What up? It's a boy Kim back again, and today we are checking out the market, seeing what's happening. And as you can see, we have started in a very negative connotation. Let me just confirm that from crypto bubbles. And yeah, exactly. You can see most of the coins are super red, and the rest are booming. I don't know. Is this a specific narrative or what? Mina token, ICP, helium, quant. Okay, all right. But before that, guys, let me collect my candies before I forget. Boom, that's done. Let's go back. Show some stats, please. All right. Okay. Let's see the volume. So XRP is still there. Ethereum Classic. Oh, we have new players in town. We have Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, ApeCoin, Cardano, Surpass, Terra, Luna, and Solana. Oh, it's time now I start looking into chatting something else. But guys, as I told you, right now I'm not trading. I'm not trading at all. I'm just learning new things about smart money concepts. That's what I'm learning right now. So you have to bear with me. I'm not trading right now. I'm just observing the market and learning. That's one of the key things that I've learned from professionals. That I just had a video of someone saying he was an ex-investment banker, and he was saying basically how they get oriented in the trading desk. Yeah, so you never get to see the charts, the actual charts, until after like 3 months. You learn now the other important things that you need before you get into the charts. And I was talking about now order flow, liquidity. You get taught these other things so that by the time you're looking at the charts, you already know what exactly you need to look at from the chart. Basically, what he was trying to say is that charts are the last thing, because the basically charts is a progression of price, right? And price is always the last thing that happens after everything else. Orders, everything else has occurred. Price moves the last. So if you start with charting, that means there's a lot of critical information that you're not looking at. You're looking before. Uh, yes, so right now I'm in that process of learning more about smart money concepts as I, understand how the market moves and all that. So let's see long versus shorts. Now that we know that the funding rate is negative, yeah, we have more shorts in the market. Let's get Luna Crash dashboard and see. Okay. Let me answer, give my five opinions to be a bull market. Yes. How are you feeling about the metaverse projects today? Yes, I'm super bullish about the metaverse. Super regulation campaign 2022. Yes, I'm super confident about that. More users will onboard on crypto to NFTs and two coins, of course. Yes, more people relate to NFTs. I've always said that. DAOs will replace traditional corporate structures. I don't really think so, but chances are yes. Trading news. Okay. That's how to mine Bitcoin Cash in 2022. That's why Bitcoin Cash is pumping. Okay. Men's Health Mag. Bitcoin continues to be the most traded crypto by Ethereum was on Tuesday, of course. That's bullish for Ethereum, but then, of course, the hype has to be there. It's a huge community, right? Coinbase Cloud launches Avalanche developer tools suit crypto breaking news. All right. So Coinbase is trying to integrate all this strong layer one tokens. We heard about the Solana NFTs. Now it's about Avalanche Creative Tools Suite. Nice. Twitter lets iOS users turn their video recording to achieve the trends. Wow. Okay. Ethereum worries that crypto has a lot of dystopian potential if implemented wrong. Okay. Huobi NFT launches global exclusive kind of hands-on NFT series. Announces launch of premium OTC crypto trading desk. Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum was not made for modems. Coindesk announcement NFT collection becomes the second airline. Bitcoin hash rate may seem small capitulation with difficulty. Set for fuel time high. AI scanning crypto project for coins on the meaning raise. There's nothing that's catching my eye. 23 Cardano polls stake 1.5 billion. Added 12 hours metadata points in Coinbase subsidiary. El Salvador postpones the issuance of Bitcoin bonds citing unfavorable market condition. Of course, we are seeing also some people protesting about the Bitcoin issue in El Salvador. So let's wait and see what happens. Twitter launches verified NFT profile pictures. Wow, it's bullish, of course. Twitter launched as a paid subscription service that gives users access to premium service. Okay, I never knew that. It's paid. Okay, Twitter they want start now to start having a premium service. Okay. They're on the verge of their death. The vision for Bitcoin. El Salvador postposes benefit, of course. That's what we've had. Let's look at Messari. Let's see if there is anything new apart from what we've seen there. Chip giant Qualcomm launches 100 metaverse fund. Of course, all big institutions right now are investing in the metaverse, the smart ones. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing much, nothing much more. Yeah, so guys, this is my chart right now. This is how it looks. And if you realize what I'm doing here is I'm marking out what we call what is it called? Marking out what is it called? Order blocks. Yes, I'm marking out order blocks, and order blocks are basically where the last huge blocks of the last huge blocks of candles the last candlesticks before a huge downturn. So like this right here, this last candlestick here is an order block. Of course, now I denoted it from the 4-hour time frame. That's why you can see it clearly. So you can see this last candle right here. This is what I denoted from. This one right here. So basically, what order blocks mean is that this was the last move that the whales made to to create a scenario where we are going further up so that people can continue longing, and then boom, they do the sell off, right? Yeah, and what smart money concepts say is that anytime we create another block, price tends to come back and reclaim those regions. Why? Because once they created this order right here, right, to push the price up to create that scenario where price is going up, right? They opened a long, right? But then shortly after they opened a very huge short, which now got the price falling very quickly. So that means there are some longs here that are still right, that are still in losses, and they have to create a scenario where price comes back way back to retest the zones so that the longs can break even, right? Yeah, I think that's a very nice analogy. From that, we had equal highs right here, and we broke them to take all this liquidity that was here. There was a lot of stop losses here. People shorting. Okay, took that liquidity, now came down and created another order block here. I think we are definitely gonna come to retest here. We have a lot of selling pressure. I also feel like we need to come back more here in the order block and take it out, probably half of it, and then come further down or go further up. I don't know. We still have a trend line here that is very strong. Okay, this trend line is still very valid, right? And yeah, that means we have a lot of liquidity flowing down here, a lot of liquidity down here, all of this, and you have other equal lows here. So chances are price gonna come very quickly, take out all that liquidity, and before we go further up. So I'll be looking for that. I'll be looking for that, guys. I'll be looking for that, and yeah, that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. Nothing much is really going on a macro scale. When you look at the daily, you will see that we have been creating sort of a range here, which means, of course, we are now creating more liquidity down here and up here. So up here, we just took out some liquidity. We are now long short. I don't know if we are going to come take this liquidity again before we go further up. Let's see what's going to happen. But you can see we are still in that consolidation mode right there. And on the weekly standpoint, we've started in a nice green notation. So let's see what's going to happen, guys. What do you think is going to happen? That's the situation. That's the condition of the market. Let's see what's really going to happen. Cheers, guys, and make sure you hit that subscription bell, notification bell, and don't forget to share with your friends and also comment what you think I should do more or less. Thank you so much.